Good afternoon, everybody. Steve Georgia here live from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is June 18, 2010. We did have the markets up a little here today as far as the grains. Corn up about 3.5 cents, puts it up 11 1/4 for the week. This is after the EPA had come out earlier this morning and said that they are going to postpone their decision to increase the percentage blend here on ethanol. So they are looking to push that back until the fall, and so that could have been looked at as a little bit negative on the markets here today, but we did find some strength. As I mentioned, corn up 3.5, old crop beans up 9, new crop beans up 5.5, so we did find strength in the beans as well. Beans were up 14 3/4 cents for the week. We had the wheat market finishing about a penny lower today, so did find a little pullback, and that happened right there at the close. I think you saw a little profit taking right near the close, but still closed the strongest out of all the grains. Closed 21 cents higher today, or closed 21 cents higher for the week. So the dollar was flat today. Didn't get much direction from these outside markets. The dollar was pretty flat, but for the week we were down $1.94. So that's the first solid close that we had seen. Actually, the first close that we had on a weekly chart below the previous week in the last 8 weeks. So that is a negative closer for the dollar. But it is right up against some support areas. If we end up seeing further weakness early next week, that could trigger some more selling, and which in turn could trigger more buying in commodities in general. Crude oil was up 41 cents, 77.20. Solid close there for the week, up $3.48. So that was a pretty strong close here for crude. The first major jump that we had seen in crude since that big sell-off a few weeks back. So it is positive. A lot of these markets do look like we could find some strength moving into next week, but the dollar's the key. If this dollar is going to continue to break, you'll find more money come back into commodities and may give some more life around these markets a little bit. We did have a cattle on feed report out just a little bit ago. The average guess here for on feed, we had 0.8%. That's exactly where it came out. Placements, they were looking for 22.3. Came out at 22.4, so that's neutral. And then for marketings, you were looking for that to be down 3.2%. Actually was down about 4.3%, so we're looking for that to be a little bit neutral to a little bit bearish as we come into to Monday's trading. So overall, cattle on feed report was more neutral. That's how we are going to look at it. You had the cattle market today down about 30 cents ahead of this report. Still up almost $1 for the week. Feeders unchanged today. You had the hogs up 52 cents. We've had a nice rebound in the hogs this week, up $2.32. So we'll see if we can carry that strength going into next week as well. But give us a call here at 800-262-7538. Check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. We've got a lot of good stuff there on our research product. If you've not been able to check that out, you can see all of what I've just went through here on that research and more. So get out there, get a free trial, if you've not taken a look at it already, and call us. We'd be glad to help you guys out, get you signed up for that, and get you going. So once again, call us here, 800-262-7538. Hope you had a great week. Happy Father's Day to you fathers out there. We'll talk to you next week. Take care.